paragraph and you're supposed to identify what is right, which 4 sentences belong to the paragraph and which one is going to be outside the paragraph. So as you can see over here, we start identifying which one can be the starting sentence. When you have a but, it cannot be the starting sentence. This one looks okay, it doesn't have a pronoun or anywhere, that can cause problems. This one looks okay, it could be a starting sentence. This one definitely cannot be a starting sentence, of course के साथ है. Or even, in fact, cannot be a starting sentence. So you can see that I have eliminated 1, 4 and 5 as not starting, right? I'm left with 2 and 3. Now when I look at 2, 3, 4, 5, I find that there is a connection of hurt, and hurt. So when I have these two to look at, and I of course 1, 4 and 5 cannot be starting. These two, one of the two has to start, and of the starting candidates, one has a link to this thing as well as this thing. That means most probably then 3 is the odd one out. And if you look at the sentence, paragraph, you will find that that is actually the case. I hope anybody has doubts. Here we can take their doubts orally also. So I am okay with that. 2, 4, 1, 5, and 3 is the odd one out. Ayush, is that clear?
Yes, sir. 3 is the odd one out. That's clear.
Okay. So clear. I almost hear that doubt in your voice. What is not clear?
सर वो पैरा का जो जंप पीजे अरेंज हुआ है 2415 वो आई एम रीडिंग.
अच्छा पढ़ के देखिए, डज इट मेक सेंस टू यू और नॉट? 2415. Ayush, let me know once you're convinced, or if you want an alternative, whether you want to search an alternative.
Yes, sir. Convince.
Okay, makes sense. Okay, but please keep challenging me, because you don't have to accept the answer. Mark is something which is subjective also. So you might have a viewpoint which is different and which might be equally logical also from different from mine. Let's look at the solutions. So we can see again the reasons I put over there. Hurt ये है, और वो starting sentence best होगा 2 का. So 2, 4, 1, 5 इसीलिए मैंने लिया है. Then look at the parajumble, which is the most dangerous. You do this absolutely last in the exam. So let's look at the parajumble. Let's start reading the parajumbles. My problem is this one. I have a pronoun here, so it cannot be the starting. Ayush, you agree? Ayush, do you agree?
Sir, checking.
नहीं, my question is कि दे के कारण ये starting तो नहीं हो सकता ना? This cannot be a starting sentence, right?
Yes.
Let's take baby steps.
Difficult, but sir, कभी-कभी हो जाता है.
कभी-कभी हो जाता है, but ideally पीजे में नहीं होना चाहिए. I agree with your point. I start with ideal, because अगर हम उसको हैंडल करने लगेंगे 2 मिनट में कहाँ से सॉल्व कर पाएंगे अगर हम एक्सेप्शन को सोचने लगेंगे. तो कभी-कभी होगा, कभी-कभी तो आपको मार्क्स कटेगा नहीं, आपका 0 आएगा, है ना? और ये वाला ठीक लग रहा है. अब इसको पढ़ने के बाद जब मैं ये पढ़ता हूं तो ये एज अ रिजल्ट है, और इसमें ये दोनों कनेक्टेड है. कैन यू सी दैट कनेक्शन आयुष?
सर इसके अंदर ये एक्चुअली आपका पोस्ट किया हुआ था पहले, तो
हाँ सॉल्व किया होगा, राइट? हाँ, बट आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट द अप्रोच, हाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द अप्रोच नाउ. how you solved it at that time, how you should be
Will
approaching
not
now.
come. She will be towards the end
हाँ,
because as a result वहाँ पे
है,
लिखा हुआ है, it should be towards the end.
राइट. और यहाँ को ये 40 और ये 40 कनेक्टेड है. ठीक है.
और सर वो 40 तो अलग अलग है ना. 40 is the name of the probably. I mean this is the
It's 40 degrees
40 degree south.
हाँ, जो
The
मैंने you need to know
latitude.
geography. Yeah. So winds
Yes.
from that ना.
And 40s is about probably a wind from westerly wind.
The westerly winds, which are, so why are they called 40 the westerly? They are from here, from this thing, right?
Okay.
There is some kind of connection between them.
Yes.
So ये हो गया, and ये वाला भी ठीक है. So a good starting point could be 2 only, and from 2 we can go, because we said these westerlies, so we can talk about this one over here. So 2 will flow into 4.
Yes, sir. So why not 5?
And that in turn,
Okay, नहीं होगा 5.
why not 5?
नहीं होगा.
वो प्रॉब्लम है ना उसका.
I got
4
it.
के बाद क्या होगा? हाँ, 4 के बाद क्या होगा कि भाई 4 में बोल रहा है कि उस जमाने में क्या होता था. यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी, राइट?
Yes, sir.
सो 4 में बोल रहा है कि उस जमाने में क्या होता था. 1 बोल रहा है कि अभी क्या होता है.
हाँ sir.
कैचिंग दैट?
Yes, sir. So we can do it
2,
with
4, 1.
chronology as well, ना?
देन वी हैव 5 के एक प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट किया गया है, एंड उस प्रोजेक्ट का कारण ये है, प्रोजेक्ट का एंड रिजल्ट ये है. सो यू हैव 5 and 3. Yeah, there might be another approach. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? 2, 4, 1, 5, 3.
Sir,
Any doubts? जी बोलिए.
sir, I'm Sriharsh. The word
हाँ.
"they" in first sentence, does it signify the wind?
Yeah, I think they're talking about the westerlies, the roaring 40s and all that.
Yes.
Okay. So that's why
We are
after fourth
discussing
we have
everything that
attached
was
first.
discussed in 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So
Okay.
are we okay? 1. Yeah. Okay. Earlier this used to happen. Now this happens. Earlier it's discussed 4. Now it's discussed in 1. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
You can see the highlighting, etc. that I've done in this thing without writing out.
Yeah.
That's your theta pj solution, but please do theta pj's absolutely at the end. Do not start them in the beginning. They can eat your time also.
सर हम लोग इसको chronology से भी कर सकते थे ना?
कर सकते थे. There will be many approaches. As I said ना, subjective है बिल्कुल.
सर उससे एकदम मतलब we can just see the timing and 1 मिनट में हो जाएगा पूरा.
क्या होगा बताओ? क्या टाइमिंग लोगे?
सर यहाँ पे पहले जनरलाइज कर दिया. सेकेंड सेंटेंस में हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. उसके बाद 4 आता है because it's talking about the centuries for long.
No. So हाँ ठीक है, fine that way. And then
उसके
1.
बाद
ठीक है तो एटलीस्ट पता चल गया. Facebook लाइव डजंट वर्क.
यहाँ पे I get
right
5 I get.
तो ठीक है सेशन 2 पे लेंगे.
then 5 and then
नहीं पता तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
Yes, मेरा यहाँ पे 5 आएगा क्योंकि 2017 आ गया.
correct.
And then it comes तो यहाँ पे गलत हो गया.
Yeah. So I am moving to the next one. Summaries. When you're looking at summaries, we need to look at the main points of the summary. So for example here, Shreyash was there, na? Who? Ayush ke alawa? Apart from Ayush, who else is here? Shreyash.
Yes, sir. I was
What's the
there.
name? I'm sorry. Then, okay. Your full name is?
Sriharsh Mankapur.
Sriharsh. So here, major points are own perspective, academic discipline, and literature. whatever answer option comes, the correct answer option will have all these 3 points linked together, kind of. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Then we have to get the, I don't know whether you can see this on the screen. Status. Here, own perspective is there, pedagogy is there, which is teaching style, and literature is there. All the 3 major points are there. Here, own perception is there, but academics is not there. Here, our perception is there, but this is the issue. No academic mentioned, but it's mentioned wrongly. Literature is there. ये पूरा गलत है. The more correlation लगा दिया, and literature is fine. And literature is the perfect way, too rigid. So that is why we have taken as 1 as the answer. Do you agree, or do you have a better candidate in mind apart from 1?
It's not clear.
No, it's a little hazy. That will be a problem.
So because summary ठीक से पढ़े नहीं and समझ नहीं आया वो मतलब.
Summary में पढ़ने अच्छा हाँ वो वहाँ पर है. ठीक है. But you got the main point. Okay. Look for the major points in the summary and find them in the options. So a typical summary will be A plus B plus C, and your options will be made up of A plus B or A plus C or A plus not B plus C, something like that. Option दिया हुआ है. Keep that in mind. कि वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Then any queries that you want me to tackle right now, since you two are the only ones here right now, so might as well handle it one-to-one. Ayush, you had some doubts?
Yes sir, actually many, but
Many? वो तो normal है. जब तक cat नहीं दोगे तब तक doubts रहेगा mind में.
yes sir.
So tell me Ayush.
So mainly सबसे sir दो like specific details में miss out on certain points at times. या किसी बात पे inference वाला पे it's like a 40-60 normally.
Okay, so I'll do this thing.
Title question. फिर उसके बाद सर जो
the specific details you can, once you start summarizing it, ये अपने आप solve हो जाएगा. I guarantee you. Inference के लिए we will do some CR questions which should help you solve that. How to make that jump from the premise to the conclusion. How to make that jump. That inference helps us. We'll tackle that. Don't worry.
sir, and title questions application based.
Title questions are basically
like nightmare. I leave them when I see it.
Main idea question. Title question is main idea question. So work by negation over there. Negate the कि ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता, ये हो सकता, तो जो बचा हुआ है वही होगा. Something like that. You'll have to approach it that way.
Excuse me,
Yes.
Yes,
sorry.
Sir, I had a doubt. Like how to actually like how to stop rereading in the parajumbles.
Rereading.
Yes, like prima facie when we first see the 5 options.
For this, I'll tell you this. Your funda is that you are going to spend 40 minutes on RC, okay?
Okay.
And you are going to spend only 20 minutes of VA. How many questions of VA are there? 10?
24. Sorry, 10.
So you will spend only 2 minutes by the time on that question. At the end of 2 minutes, you have to mark your answer and move on. No wasting time. आपको एक्सपर्टीज डेवलप करना है कि कैसे करना है. रीरीडिंग का तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं होता पैराजंबल में. 2 मिनट में जो हो सकता है वो मार्क करो और आगे बढ़ो, है ना? कनेक्ट करना है, कीवर्ड्स करना है, जो भी सीखना है आपको मॉक्स में ट्राई करना है, बट ऐसा नहीं करना है जिसमें 4-5 मिनट दे दिया. दैट विल वेस्ट, बिकॉज हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी है पैराजंबल गलत देगा अगर आपको टाइम लगा है तो. एंड इट्स बेटर टू इन्वेस्ट दैट टाइम समवेयर एल्स, एंड दैट इज व्हाई 40-20 फिनिश द RCs first, go to the VA. You don't end up wasting 15 minutes on a parajumble and not do RCs which you would have cracked. है ना?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
That's it. Yeah, you're welcome. That's it for today then. Shivam sir, आपको we'll stop it for today. Yeah, go on.
Yes, sir.
You were saying something?
नहीं sir. Sir, inference space के लिए sir, you said CR questions. Sir, I have some questions of decision making in that as well.
Correct.
Can I use those as well?
You can.
It will help me prepare for that as well at the same time.
Definitely आपका डबल काम हो जाएगा. Not a problem. You can use that. DCM questions use करो तो काफी फायदा ही होगा. It will develop your thinking capacity. And then DCM is a major part of that.
Yes.
Right? It's like 1/3 of that. That is an even more dangerous exam for verbal, because 1/3 is verbal and 1/3 is DCM, and only 1/3 of it is quant DILR. You better be very strong in verbal to crack that.
Yes. तो उसका कट ऑफ भी बहुत हाई होता है.
हाँ, कट ऑफ तो रिलेटिव बात है. बाकी जनता कैसी करती है उस पर डिपेंड करेगा.
So famous summaries. ठीक है ना, summary शुरू करते हैं.
कर लेंगे यार, we'll do it 1-to-1. Come to the booster course, we'll definitely work on all the problems. Don't worry. ठीक है? Take care. Good night for today.
Thanks.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Thanks a lot for the session,
Thank you
sir.
so much, sir.
Welcome, yeah, very welcome. Please feel free to reach out anytime you have doubts.